So the deadbolt piece, Chance has here, we're only using the outside because the inside is going to be used with our little smart lock thing. So with our little smart device here, we got to put this little catch thing on first. So that's how this goes on, face up like that, and then we can install the little smart device. Just takes this little green piece, the special type, so it matches, and then this piece you shove on and then put those tabs down. Still functions like normal there, and looks normal there.
Hi guys, so while Caleb has been doing the main house door, I've been doing their garage door. Got it most of the way done.
So we worked on it some more, guys, and we got the doors installed. So now it's hooked up to the phone through the August app, and Chance and I can both control the doors, so we can lock them. And we used a connect feature, so they're connected to the internet and our Wi-Fi. So as long as there's Wi-Fi, we can lock and unlock the doors from anywhere in the world now, which is pretty cool as long as we have internet. So that's awesome. Hooked them up to Alexa as well. Currently, apparently Alexa is not supporting unlocking or locking, just the simple feature of telling us whether they're locked or unlocked, which is interesting.